Laser cutting and engraving is an outstanding technology to cut, shape, and engrave a variety of materials and objects. Compared to traditional tools, it is not just faster, but also way more precise. Mr. Beam 2 features a solid metal safety housing and comes to you completely assembled and ready to use. Mr. Beam works on many materials you can find in your household. Wood, fabric, cardboard, and felt are just a few examples. Additionally, you can engrave almost any surface. Did we already mention that Mr. Beam is easy to use? With minimal effort, you can engrave a photo. Pick one in your favorite app, place the item in your Mr. Beam, and close the safety lid. Next, drag your photo in place. Mr. Beam now comes with a camera giving you an accurate preview that you can easily position the photo on the item. Afterwards, press Start. This impressive engraving will make you smile. Mr. Beam is very versatile. Architectural models from your vector files are cut out with such high precision that the assembly is a piece of cake. Build lightweight airplane models from plywood. Use your Mr. Beam to create wonderful personalized designs. Start selling them in your own shop. Or just make gifts for your loved ones.
Cubio 2, a revolutionary laser cutter and engraver. Light and portable, quick and easy. You can draw anything. Preview your work. Start with a beautiful fountain pen. Cubio 2 can easily engrave on curved surfaces. Make a special gift for your loved ones. Choose any picture, and you can make it happen. With the versatile Cubio 2, the Eiffel Tower is right in front of you. Bring your imagination to life. Cut leather quickly and easily. Create your own design. Our software can handle all your professional needs. Enjoy your very own moonlight on acrylic. You can use a wide range of materials. Have fun with your family. It's easy and safe. You can even decorate a birthday cake. Make an ordinary day extraordinary. Anytime, anywhere, make your dreams come true. Cubio 2.
When the first Snapmaker was introduced, it raised over $2 million and connected over 10,000 users in an active community. With the new Snapmaker, we're bringing the next generation of advanced technology to this iconic design. The new Snapmaker is faster, smarter, larger, and more powerful than ever before. From 3D printing to laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving, it supports a wide variety of materials for limitless creativity. The components are made from high-strength metal. Anodizing converts the surface of the metal into a durable anodic oxide finish. Each process is strictly controlled, and due to the higher level of automation, both the quality and the speed of production have been significantly increased. Every part is meticulously made. In creating the new Snapmaker, we've taken the all-metal design to the next level. The new Snapmaker is modular, and it only takes a few steps to set up. Our software has greatly simplified the process of 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. You can also connect and control your Snapmaker via Wi-Fi or with the smart touchscreen. Snapmaker is more than just a series of machines. It's a system of powerful modules and add-ons for creative people like you. You can make an extra-large CNC router, a huge laser engraver, and even a 4-axis CNC machine. You can further enhance it by adding an IP camera, a hand wheel, an emergency stop button, an enclosure, and more. The new Snapmaker includes an automatic bed leveling feature that ensures you print on a level bed every time. The cooling system is redesigned to cool the print in the most efficient way possible. If the filament runs out, Snapmaker will pause and notify you to load new filament. It can also detect power loss and resumes exactly where it left off, so you can recover any project. To remove a print, simply lift the build plate and flex it. For laser cutting, it uses a specially designed aluminum grid table. Its built-in camera allows you to preview a design on any material or surface. What you see is what you get. It makes laser cutting as easy as drawing with a pen. It can convert your drawing into a vector image that can be edited directly in the software for laser engraving and cutting. It is 5 times faster than the original model. Whenever a new idea strikes, you'll be ready to turn it into reality. For CNC carving, it now features a fully upgraded CNC module and wasteboard. It supports over 100 carving and cutting bits by using the standard ER11 collet. Upgraded clamps provide a tighter hold. It has faster working speed, a larger step down, and fully enclosed linear modules. Bring your ideas to life and unlock your full creative potential with the new Snapmaker. It is the most advanced 3-in-1 3D printer we've ever created. Let's make something wonderful with Snapmaker. Join us and back us on Kickstarter today.